it's Lentil Loaf here with Boom and Bigs TV. In this video, I will be sharing a vegan lentil loaf recipe inspired by high carb Hannah. This recipe is gluten-free, refined sugar-free, oil-free, and salt is optional. I have adjusted the recipe slightly, so please check out Hannah's original video, which I will link in the description, and she also shares a creamy mashed potato recipe in the same video. You can also find more recipes on her website, which I will link in the description as well. For the ingredients, I am using a 1.5 cups of organic rolled oats. I have blended the oats in my Cuisinart food processor. I just blended them for a few seconds to make a coarse flour. You can leave some chunks like I have, or you can continue blending until it's more fine. That's totally up to you. This is 1 cup of red lentils and 1/2 cup of brown lentils. I'm just using whatever organic lentils I was able to find in the store. Here I have a flax egg, which I used 3 tablespoons of organic ground flaxseed and 6 tablespoons of water. Stirred together makes an egg replacement. And here I have approximately 1.5 cups to 2 cups of chopped carrots, red pepper, and yellow pepper. I believe in the original recipe, Hannah uses 1 carrot, 2 celery sticks, red pepper, yellow pepper, and onion, but you can go to the video in the description to see. I'm starting with the lentils in a pot on the stove, 3 cups of water, and the veggies. I will let this cook until all the water has evaporated. For the seasonings, Hannah uses 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon fennel, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon cayenne, which the cayenne is optional. And I actually did not have most of those seasonings, so I used the same measurements of different seasonings that I do have. And the seasoning actually gets added to the flax egg. Now that the lentils and veggies are done, I'm going to add the flax egg and seasoning to the mixture. And next we'll add the oat flour. I put the batter into a 7 by 9 inch glass pan. I chose to use this size instead of the bread loaf because it fits perfectly into my Instant Vortex Plus oven air fryer. I really love this machine because it does so much stuff. It air fries, it bakes, it dehydrates, it reheats. It even has a rotating basket to put potatoes so you can air fry them evenly without oil. So today we will be using bake on 350. We're gonna start with 15 minutes and go from there. It's been in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. It is hard on top now. Look how colorful and beautiful this looks. It looks so healthy and it smells so good too. Now I will just spread some barbecue sauce and ketchup that I have mixed together on top and put it back in the oven for 5 more minutes. Here's what the finished product looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching.